Hello everyone, myself Vrunda Bora, and today I'm going to show you my machine learning mini project, which is a smart web app that predicts how catchy or engaging your YouTube title is. So this project is built using React for an interactive UI, and for backend, FastAPI is used to handle the API and model ML model. And in machine learning, Scikit-learn for model training, TF-IDF for text and feature processing, and Joblib for the model saving. And also logistic regression is used for prediction purpose. And for AI integration, Google Gemini API, which suggests catchy titles. So this is the UI basically. This is the interactive React UI where the user can type the title. Tags, description, and publish times are optional. And according to the data you provided, it will analyze the title and will predict the low engagement and high engagement of the title. If the title engagement is less than 70%, then it is considered as a low engagement title, and also weak words will be described. And if the engagement is low, that is the prediction score is less than 70%, and also the weak words are displayed, then in that case suggestions are provided by Google Gemini API. That is for news today, breaking, you must see it, or unbelievable, this changes everything. Like this, catchy titles are provided. So now let's see the code and the execution of the mini project. So here in the code, we are first importing necessary libraries like OS, Joblib, NumPy, Pandas, FastAPI for the backend, and Google Gemini, and many more. After that, we are loading the saved model, ML model. The three model we are using here, model.pkl, vectorizer.pkl, and scalar.pkl. After that, we are loading the saved model, and um, then we add a safety check. If any model file is missing, it stops the app and shows an error. And these line load the ML model, vectorizer, and scalar into memory using the joblib.load. After is a Gemini setup. The Gemini API key is used and the model is 2.5 flash. Then is a fast API setup. After that, there is a response and uh, request model. So here this defines the structure of the class, how the user will send uh, basically send or give input. So the user will provide the title, the tags, description, and the publish time. And whereas in response, he or she will get the prediction, the weak words, detected weak words, if required, the suggestions, and the boolean, like strong suggestions will be required, will be displayed. After that is a predictable function. So in the predictability function, so what happened is that we join the title, tags, and description and then convert it into numerical vectors using TF-IDF vectorizer. After that, time features are used. So time features like day, which day we are publishing, what is the time of the publication of the video, like the hour, the day of the week, the month in which we are publishing, all this is here. And after that, we are predicting. We also then after that we are scaling the time features are hour, day, and month, and combine them with the text features using H stack to form one big input vector. After that, next, the ML model predict if the title is catchy, then it's 1, or if it is not catchy, then it's 0, and also gives a probability score with the engagement. If it is catchy, then it is attractive title with a potential score, and low engagement title with a potential score. After that, we are predicting the weak words. So for the weak words, we are using the weak words library basically. So which is also stored in the pickle file. So word that usually makes the title less powerful. Those are the weak words. And after that, catchy title prediction. So in the catchy title prediction, we are checking two things. First, the probability, and the other one is the detected weak words. If the probability is greater than 70% and there is no weak word detected, so in that case, the title is already strong and we don't need any suggestion. Whereas if the probability is less than 70%, or if we detect some weak words, so in both the cases or any one case, we have to suggest the title. And for the suggestion of the title, this is the prompt given to the Gemini API, and according to this prompt, it will provide us the title, the catchy title, a strong title, which will provide a high engagement for the video. And after that, finally, we create a endpoint API to analyze. So here what happens is when the front end sends the title, the tags and everything. So this function will call both the predict clickability function and the suggest title function, suggest catchy title function, and then sends the final result prediction. Will send the final result, which is the prediction, weak words, and Gemini suggestion back to the front end. Now let's see the execution of the mini project. So for the execution, we are giving input as title. Tags are also provided like Python and programming. Then description is also provided for the YouTube video and the publish time, at what time the video will be published on YouTube. And after clicking the analyze title button, we can see the prediction is quite attractive. The click ratio is greater than 80%. Weak words are not detected. Therefore, there is no suggestion generated, and it is a strong title and it looks great. For the next title, we are using news today. The tags are provided like news, latest, and also the description is provided for the same publish time. And after clicking the analyze title button, we can see that it is a low engagement title with a potential of only 20%. Weak words are also detected, and that's why the suggestions are generated like urgent, you won't believe this, and what's breaking now. So that's all about the mini project. Thank you.